Which car wax is actually good for white cars? Simple question, but the answer can be tricky. Today, we're breaking down the top options to help your ride shine bright without all the confusion. Product number 1, Shine Armor Fortify Quick Coat. First up, we have the Shine Armor Fortify Quick Coat. Priced at $15.89, this product caught my attention for its claims of being a 3-in-1 solution. If you want quick, effective detailing without the hassle, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Fortify Quick Coat replaces your entire quick detail routine. It combines car wax, waterless wash, and paint sealant into one spray. The nano-ceramic formula bonds to your clear coat, providing a protective layer that beads water and repels dirt for months. With over 83,000 verified reviews and a solid 4.3-star rating, it's clear that many users appreciate the convenience it offers. Now, some people complained about the scent being a bit strong. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for a product that saves time and delivers results, a little scent shouldn't outweigh the benefits. This is perfect for you if you want a quick detailing solution without fuss. Skip this one if you prefer traditional waxing methods or dislike strong fragrances. For the price and efficiency, it's a solid pick. Now, if the scent issue bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Chemical Guys Spray Wax Blazon Banana. Next, we have the Chemical Guys Spray Wax Blazon Banana, priced at $14.97. The banana scent caught my eye, but it's the performance that keeps users raving. If you're after a product that enhances your car's gloss and is super easy to use, this one's definitely worth considering. This spray wax offers a brilliant carnauba shine with a simple spray and wipe formula. The hydrophobic barrier helps repel water and dirt, so your white car stays cleaner for longer. With a 4.7-star rating from 4,500 reviews, it's evident that many users love how easy it is to apply, even on various surfaces. Now, some users reported it can leave streaks if not buffed properly. However, here's the thing, if you take the time to use a quality microfiber towel, you'll likely avoid this issue and enjoy a flawless finish. This is perfect for you if you want a quick, pleasant-smelling wax that gives your car a stunning shine. Skip this one if you're looking for a long-lasting, heavy-duty wax. For the price, it's a fantastic deal for quick touch-ups. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a deeper shine. Product number 3, Chemical Guys Butter Wet Wax. Coming in third, we have the Chemical Guys Butter Wet Wax, priced at $19.97. This one promises a deep, wet shine, and honestly, it delivers. If you want your white car to look like it just rolled off the showroom floor, this is worth a serious look. The Butter Wet Wax enhances gloss and depth, making it perfect for all paint colors, including white. It's easy to apply and remove, which means less hassle for you. The banana scent adds a nice touch to your waxing experience. With a stellar 4.6-star rating from over 14,400 reviews, it's loved for its ease of use and the gorgeous finish it provides. Now, some people found it a bit tricky to buff off if over-applied. But here's the thing, as long as you use it sparingly, you'll get that beautiful, smooth finish without any hassle. This is perfect for you if you want an impressive shine and don't mind spending a little more for quality. Skip this if you prefer a quick spray wax application. For the results, it's a worthwhile investment. Now, if the application process concerns you, the next product is all about convenience. Product number 4, Meguiar's Quick Wax. Next up is the Meguiar's Quick Wax, priced at just $7.97. This one stood out for its flexibility. You can apply it on wet or dry surfaces, even in direct sunlight. If you want something that's easy to use no matter the conditions, this is a great choice. The Quick Wax offers deep shine and UV protection, making it perfect for maintaining your white car's paint. Its quick application means you can get back on the road faster, and the water-beating action helps make future washes easier. With a 4.6-star rating from 3,400 users, it's a reliable option for anyone looking to protect their vehicle. Now, a few users mentioned it doesn't last as long as some other waxes. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for a quick detailer that you can use often, this isn't a deal breaker for you. This is perfect for you if you want something fast and effective. Skip this if you're looking for long-term protection. For For the price, it's a steal for a quick shine. Now, if you want something that cleans while it waxes, you'll want to check out our next product. Product number 5, Meguiar's Cleaner Wax. Lastly, we have Meguiar's Cleaner Wax at $9.99. This product caught my attention because it cleans and protects in one step. If you're looking for efficiency, this is definitely worth considering. The cleaner wax not only provides a high gloss shine but also cleans surface contaminants while you wax. It's safe for all glossy finishes, making it a versatile choice for your detailing needs. With a 4.7-star rating and 4,500 reviews backing it, users appreciate its ease of use and effectiveness. Now, some users found it to be not as slick as pure waxes. But here's why that's not a deal breaker. If you want a one-step process that makes your life easier, this is still a great option. This is perfect for you if you want a cleaner and protectant combo. Skip this one if you prefer a dedicated wax for a deeper shine. For its dual functionality, it's a good value. So there you have it. Each of these products brings something different to the table, catering to your unique needs as a white car owner. In conclusion, the Shine Armor Fortify Quick Coat is great for quick detailing, while the Chemical Guy's options shine for their gloss and ease of use. Meguiar's Quick Wax offers flexibility, and the Cleaner Wax is perfect for those wanting to clean and wax at once. Each has its strengths, so choose based on your car care needs.